Today's the day for the front yard car show. We're starting out in the back. Got a lot of cars in the front yard, a lot of friends and family over. We're also enjoying the Luke Air Force Air Show.
They can just turn it, just hang it. They can almost stall and take off in other directions. I did hammer against the Huey helicopter over in Virginia.
Look at all these cars. Some of the neighbors brought their cars over, some friends, and some family. So it's a good day for a car show. The weather is beautiful. We've got some food, some snacks, and some drinks. There's the 40 Chevy. That was my first paint job. There's Greg's Ford Galaxy. That's one we built. Here's a 1952 Henry J. Kaiser. That one's for sale. '65 Chevy long bed C10 pickup. My brother-in-law's Corvette. My neighbor's Mustang station wagon. 1965. There's only one. This was a prototype. Really fun looking car. I got my 57 Chevy truck. My nephew's Challenger. And last but not least, my 1950 Chevy Deluxe.